Hi YouTube, welcome back to Wtf Rc Cars. So we got something else from soarsky today. We got a new USB-C power base. This one's a bit more like a circuit board. Bit of a strange design, but looks pretty cool. And it will fit on any of the NB4 radios, so anything from NB4 to Pro Plus. But let's bring in for a close-up look, see how this works, and yeah, show you how it fits on transmitter. So this is the third design of this kind of base. We've had this one, and we've had this one from soarsky, but this is designed as a really lightweight base. I think if I were going to use something more outdoors and everyday, I'd probably go for this one. This one's more for using for likes of VRC Pro, where you just want a really lightweight bottom on your transmitter. But as on all of these, it's really easy to put on, really easy to take off. My only real concern with this is that socket's completely level with bottom, so when you put your USB-C in, it then rocks rather than sits flat. So I think if you got some foam and made it up and just stuck it on bottom a little bit just to lift this up, to probably work a bit better. In fact, seems I've got this foam, I might do that. But yeah, it does work. If we plug it in and we power up, so as soon as we power the transmitter up, it is detected in assistant, so it will work perfectly fine. Just be careful when you're putting it down that you don't crack this USB-C off the bottom. But it is a nice simple design. It's really lightweight and really easy to put on and take off. Now I think for me, I'm just going to try and stick some of this foam to it and see if we can just lift it up a little bit, just to stop it being pushing on that USB-C. So let's have some fun. So I've just got some foam and stuck it to the bottom of it, and I think for me that's probably going to work a bit better. We can now plug USB in, and it's not rocking about, and it's not putting any pressure on the USB socket. So yeah, will work absolutely fine as it is, but I think if it's going to be something you're going to be sitting down a lot with the USB-C in, I'd get some foam feet and just stick that to it. It makes it a lot more stable, and it's not going to scratch your computer desk, and it's not putting any excess pressure on the USB-C socket. But other than that, it's a really nice lightweight base for the NB4, NB4 Pro or the Plus range, and they also have other options if you want something that's a bit more rugged, bit more for outdoor. But yeah, nice little lightweight base, and it does work. It does exactly what it should. Really easy to put on and take off, and it'll work on all radios. So let's wrap this one up. So there we have the lightweight USB-C base for the Noble NB4 radios, and a quick little mod if you want to use it more with the USB-C in all time, for a simulator or something in the house, which I guess this is probably the better use for this, with it being slightly, not really flimsy, but it's a lightweight option. But yeah, really easy to put some rubber feet on it and just make it a bit more stable. But link will be in the description as always. Nice to have options, and big shout out to soarsky for sending this over to us. But thanks again for watching Wtf Rc Cars. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, share to friends and family, and catch you guys again in the next one.